friends! Happy Holi! Today we are drawing Holi colors and Pichkari. So, let's get started! First, we will draw the bucket. Now we will draw the Holi colors. After that, we will draw 3 Pichkari. Now, we will draw some water around the bucket. At last, we will draw the triangle decoration on the wall. Now, we will fill different colors in our drawing. First, we will fill the bucket with green and yellow color. Brown. Pink. Orange. Dark blue. Yellow. Mustard yellow. Pink. Blue. Red. Dark green. Purple. Magenta. Green. Yellow. Orange. Red. At last, we will write Happy Holi. And it's done. Bye, friends. Let's meet in the next video. And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.